Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study history. To truly master history, it's essential to move beyond memorizing dates and names. We'll explore a structured approach that emphasizes understanding the why behind events, critically evaluating information, and appreciating the multiple viewpoints that shape our historical narratives. This method will help you build a robust and nuanced understanding of the past, making history both engaging and deeply insightful. Understanding context and causality is fundamental. Every historical event unfolds within a specific set of circumstances: social, economic, and political. By examining these conditions, you can grasp why certain decisions were made or why particular movements gain traction. It's about tracing the intricate web of cause and effect, recognizing that history is a complex tapestry where one event often leads to many others, sometimes over decades or even centuries. Critical source analysis is your next crucial step. History is built on evidence, and not all evidence is created equal. You must learn to differentiate between primary sources, like letters or official documents, and secondary sources, which are interpretations by historians. Always question the author's perspective and potential biases. By comparing information from at least 2 or 3 different sources, you can build a more reliable and comprehensive picture of past events. Finally, embrace multiple perspectives and connect history to the present. No single account tells the whole story. Seeking out diverse viewpoints from different groups involved in an event enriches your understanding. Consider how historical narratives can differ across cultures. Most importantly, recognize that history isn't just about the past. It profoundly shapes our present world, influencing everything from political systems to social norms. This connection makes history incredibly relevant.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.